Before we begin, take a look at this property video. Welcome to effortless, sun-drenched modern living. Elevate your living space with seamless, open flow. Imagine hosting dinner with views like this. This entire property tour was created from just a few photos using AI. What if you could create a professional property tour like this from just a few photos? That's exactly what I'm testing today with VideoTour.ai. Whether you're a real estate agent looking to showcase your listings or an entrepreneur searching for a new AI service to offer, let's find out if this tool can really turn a handful of property photos into a professional looking property tour. Let's get started. So let's see how this was actually created. Today we're testing VideoTour.ai using its free plan to find out whether it's really worth your time. And because I don't have an actual property listing, I'll be using sample property images. Whether they're sample photos or images from a real client, the process is exactly the same. Let's jump in. And now, let's see exactly how you can create one yourself. First, open VideoTour.ai. The first thing you'll see is the upload section. Simply upload your property photos from your computer. It supports popular formats like JPG, PNG, WEBP, and HEIC. So just select your images and upload them. Once the photos are uploaded, the next step is the language setting. Mine is already set to English, so I'll leave it as it is. Just below that, you'll find the voiceover and background music options. I enabled the background music and selected Choose Music automatically, so the AI picks a suitable track for me. Next comes the video script. I had already generated a property description using Gemini, so instead of writing everything again, I'm simply copying and pasting my script here. This script will be used for the AI voiceover. Now let's choose the voice. If you're using a paid plan, you can clone your own voice by uploading an audio sample or recording it directly. Since I'm using the free version, I'll simply choose one of the available AI voices. Next, upload your avatar. If you have enough credits, you can generate a complete AI presenter. For this tutorial, I'll just use the free option that's available. Now choose your video format. You can select horizontal for YouTube, vertical for Instagram Reels or TikTok, or square for other social media platforms. You can also customize your captions. There are plenty of styles to choose from, including dynamic, professional, and different design options. Simply pick the one that best matches your video. Since I'm using the free version, I only have enough credits to generate one AI animation. If you're using a paid plan, you'll be able to create much longer and more advanced property videos. Everything is ready now. Simply click Generate My Video. The AI will take a few moments to process everything. And here is the final result. Honestly, I was really impressed with the quality. Even using the free version, the video looks clean, professional, and ready to share. Now that you've seen the final result, let's talk about the opportunity behind it. Real estate agents need engaging content to showcase their properties quickly and professionally. Imagine receiving property photos from a client, uploading them into an AI tool, and creating a polished property tour in just a few minutes. You can deliver videos for social media, property listings, client presentations, and marketing campaigns. Whether you work as a freelancer, partner with local agencies, or build your own AI creative business, this is a practical skill that can open new opportunities. As with any service, your results will depend on your pricing, the value you provide, and the clients you work with. But if you enjoy creating with AI, this is definitely a skill worth exploring. My goal with this channel is simple: to explore AI tools, test them honestly, and show you how they can become real opportunities for your business or your career. If you'd like to try VideoTour.ai yourself, you'll find the link in the description below. If you found this video valuable, I'd really appreciate it if you shared it with your friends or fellow entrepreneurs who could benefit from it. Grab your free setup below, and I'll see you in the next breakdown. Let's create some magic with AI.